How to turn on or turn off theft protection offline device lock on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on security and privacy. After that, scroll down and tap on more security settings. Then tap on theft protection. After that, we scroll down and then tap on offline device lock. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. And here it says turn on offline device lock, how it works, and then you can read it here. So tap on turn on, and it said the screen will lock shortly after your device goes offline to help protect your data. So you can switch it off. When you turn it off, you need to verify your ID or your identity. So make sure you put in your PIN or using your fingerprint or Face ID. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.